Shaastra 2020 presents an initiative to inspire young minds through the stories of unsung heroes. The interview. Today, we have an opportunity to present the best of our interviews with Mr. Suresh. He developed a 100% self-sustainable house that is based only on renewable energy resources to power all his needs. And this he did while doing his corporate job. Apart from this, he is also a successful entrepreneur and is a founder of two highly acclaimed companies. When he visited Germany a long time back, he was highly impressed by how Germany takes the concept of renewable energy so seriously. He saw rooftops full of solar panels, and this idea really struck chords with him. He wanted to try it back home. So when he came back to Chennai, he spoke to a lot of people and vendors but unfortunately faced criticism. Finally managed to convince one vendor to set up his first solar panel on his own rooftop. When you visit his home, there are two Syntex tanks kept near his organic farm. All the organic waste generated at his home is directly dumped into these two tanks, and then this waste is decomposed to form biogas. Biogas is a substitute for LPG, and Mr. Suresh uses this gas only to cook food at his home. He also has a very efficient rainwater harvesting system, wherein there is a slant rooftop where he collects rainwater and then uses it to water his plants. He also installed a device that converts vapor in the air directly into water. This is a very unique system, and he encourages all students to work towards installing it everywhere. Monetarily, it doesn't cost a lot, especially compared to the purpose it is serving. Mr. Suresh firmly believes that all people need is a little bit of determination and support. And determination not to change the world, but to lead a healthy lifestyle. Thank you.